Nakhun introduces next generation nail technology.
Let's unbox our new Nakhun nail art machine. Inside the box you'll find nail accessories kit, power adapter, and Nakhun nail art machine. Carefully remove the machine from the box and place it on a clean, flat and stable surface. Open the front cover of the machine. Carefully remove the protective foam packaging from inside. Next, remove the orange safety clip that secures the print assembly. Once everything has been removed, close the front cover. Inside the nail accessories kit you will find print cartridge, print gel, finger deck and other essentials. Connect the power adapter to the machine and switch it on. The machine will automatically start. To connect the machine to the Wi-Fi, tap Settings, then select Wi-Fi. Choose your network and enter the password, just like you would do it on your phone. Once connected, you are ready for the next step. Remove the cartridge from its packaging. Peel off the protective tape from the cartridge. Now, open the front cover of the machine. Open the cartridge compartment and gently insert the cartridge into its designated slot. Press it firmly and close the front cover. The machine will automatically detect the cartridge. Once detected, the cartridge status will appear on the screen. Tap Done to complete the installation. Take the test paper and place it onto the print test base provided in the kit. Insert the print test base into the finger deck slot. On the screen, select Cartridge Test and tap Start. The machine will begin the printing test automatically. Once the test is complete, remove the finger deck and check whether the printed pattern is clear and properly aligned. To calibrate the machine, select Print Calibration from the screen and tap Print. The machine will perform the calibration automatically. Once completed, check the printed result to ensure everything is perfectly aligned. To upload your own designs, tap Gallery on the machine. Scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your smartphone. Upload your favorite nail art designs. Within seconds, your designs will appear in the machine's gallery, ready to print. Apply a small amount of green clay onto the finger deck. Secure the artificial nail onto the clay. Apply a layer of base gel and cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Next, apply 2 coats of color gel and cure it for 60 seconds. Now, apply a thin layer of print gel and cure it for 4 to 5 seconds. Select your favorite design from the gallery. Adjust the design according to the nail size and position. Once you are happy with the placement, tap Print. In just 10 seconds, your nail art is beautifully printed. Cure the printed design under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Apply a layer of top gel and cure it once again for 60 seconds. Your custom nail art is now complete. From elegant minimal designs to bold artistic creations, Nakhun lets you create stunning nail art in just 10 seconds.